Out here on Peters Creek, I got the salmon roe egg on. Here, I'll show you. You got your salmon roe egg there with a little hook, size 6, and then you drop an indicator.
Yep, you want that to be hitting the bottom, tapping the bottom like that, and then that gives that bead down there a natural presentation.
So if the river's fast and deep, then you want to put more split shot on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's got to be an inch away from the hook, but not 2 inches away, because you either hook it in the eye, or if it's too close, then they'll swallow it.
Yep, and that's law too.
Alaska is awesome!